Today we're making a classic buttery pound cake, and this one is extra special because it's a mother-daughter baking afternoon. It was her idea. She always comes up with the best ones. There's something really comforting about being in the kitchen together, slowing down, and just enjoying the process of baking something homemade. So let's get started. First, melt 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup. Once it's melted, let it cool slightly so it's warm, not hot. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. If you prefer a less sweet cake, you can reduce it to 3/4 of a cup. Either way works beautifully. Mix the butter and sugar together until smooth and creamy. This is the base of our cake, so take your time here. Now we add the eggs. We're using 4 eggs, and we add them one at a time. Crack one in, mix it in completely, then add the next. Repeat until all 4 are incorporated. This helps keep the batter smooth and well blended. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Next, slowly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add it gradually so it mixes in evenly. If you have a sifter, you can use it here, but it's not required. Just mix well and scrape the sides of the bowl so everything comes together. I personally don't have a sifter right now, but it is definitely on my wish list. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is going to help give the cake some lift and create that light, fluffy, perfectly risen magic we all love. Followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, classic flavor. Vanilla adds such a beautiful warmth and sweetness to the cake. Then add a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and bring everything together. In my opinion, salt is great with just about everything. Give the batter one final mix until it's smooth, thick, and creamy. No dry spots, no lumps, just a rich, buttery batter. Now pour it into a greased pan. We used a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Spread it evenly and smooth the top if needed. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on your oven. Ours is pretty old, so it required the full hour. As it bakes, the top will turn a beautiful golden brown. To check if it's done, use a toothpick or fork and insert it into the center. If it comes out clean, it's ready. If not, give it a few more minutes in the oven. Now for the hardest part, the waiting. Once baked, let it cool before removing it from the pan. This helps it set and keeps it from breaking. And when you finally slice into it, you get a soft, tender crumb with a rich, buttery flavor and just the right touch of sweetness. Pound cake is simple, but that's what makes it so good. It's rich, soft, buttery, and comforting. You can enjoy it with coffee or tea, add fresh fruit on top, or just eat a slice on its own. We had such a fun time making this mother-daughter pound cake, and the final result was absolutely delicious. Try this dessert today.
Please hit the subscribe button below.